Hey everybody! Today we're playing something evil will happen, and I learn how to fly. So I will fly around the map. Guys, there's no cheats, I promise you. I'm not cheater. It's a glitch. It's not a glitch. But it's not a cheat. Here, I will show you how to fly. Look, we climbing something. We don't climb. It doesn't matter. Okay, so. Oh goodness! What the hell, dude? What the hell just happened? Oh my goodness. Okay, so guys, look, we get this black side, drink, now this, now this, now this, and now this. I accidentally missed it. Guys, sorry. I accidentally fall. I didn't mean to fall. Okay, I will finally do it. I didn't move the whole time. For you it was seconds, but for me it was like 30 seconds. I don't know. Okay, in next time I will show you. I promise. It's not cheats. You can do this too if you will try. Like it's not will work in the first time. You have to train, and I train right for 1 day, and I'm pro. Dude, Minesweeper, are you kidding me? I don't have items here, so I can't show you guys. Dude, that's crazy. And I don't even know how to play this map. Oh, I can't. What the hell? He has 1 HP. Dude, that's crazy. Oh, yay. I got an umbrella. How to play? Dude, I died. I hate this game. Just kidding. Okay, that's actually crazy. I don't know. I have many notes here. I just drive. I drive. Hey, come here. That's weird. Okay. I do have this emote. Wait, what? I have a car. I have a child. I have this. What the hell is this? I have this thing. This. Why the hell I have this? I have this. I don't know. My favorite is this one. Okay. Up. Guys, look. I can do this because I'm mobile, and it's easy on me. Easy to me. I can just spin around. Oh, Roblox HQ. Yes, sure. Wait, I can run. No. Okay, I will hide right over. Why isn't it working? Dude! I will die. I will die. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Dude, help. Dude, what the hell? What the hell? No, dude. You crazy. What the hell just happened? Guys, get out. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Wait. I can give someone this. Okay. Okay, guys, so look. Okay, so this. No, this. Dude, I messed up again. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Okay. I have like 4 more chances. Okay, guys, I will not mess this up again. This, like this. Yes, sure. Yes! Guys, look! I can fly around. And why don't I... Guys, I don't lose health. It's because I'm holding an umbrella. Guys, that's cool, yes? Wait. Guys, I know this song, but I don't know. Guys, I hope I don't get this, so my video get deleted on my channel. So I hope it won't happen. I can do this. Okay. Start from. Oh no, that's good. Okay. No, dude! No, dude! Dude, not that! I hate when this happens. I hate. Okay, what the? Why do I even have this? Why the hell I have this? Dude, that's so weird. Hey, no, not again, dude. How did I die? What suffocation was that? Dude, that's... Why do I can't do it when it's not on the video? I mean, why can I do it when it's not the video? But I can't do it when it's not the video. Okay, I'm done. I'm leaving and joining my private server so I can show you guys this cool thing. Spawn in. Okay. I will not touch anything here. No, actually, I will put the other disasters. Killbots. Yeah, let's go with killbots. Difficulty 0. I see hospital. No, dude. Okay, I can fly there. Okay. So, guys, look. Dude, wait! Where did this go? Why the hell did it go away? Why is... Well, that's so weird and annoying. Okay. So this, and yeah. And let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, dude. Wait, can I? And of course I can't. Of course. Okay, guys. That's all for today because I'm tired of making videos. So, guys, if you want more videos which this game, like this video. So bye bye.